Assalamualaikum, Dr. Hiat. Today my group will present about a company named IKEA, who is the leader in the furniture industry and sustainability. IKEA is founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad. The name of IKEA, which is IKEA, stands for IK, the name of the owner, Ingvar Kamprad, E for Tarit, and A is for Agunari, where the nearby village where the owner lives. So actually, IKEA were originally selling small domestic goods like pens, wallets, and etc. So by the late 1940s, Ingvar Kamprad shifted their focus to the furniture industry as he see the growing demand in the affordable home furnishing. And by 1951, he introduced the first IKEA furniture catalogs. In 1953, Kamprad opened their first showroom to address concern the errors due to the affordability price of their furniture. So due to the low price, their manufacturer quit to work with them. So in 1955, Kamprad bringing design and production in-house, whereby they design, manufacture, display, and flat packaging his own furniture. In 1958, Kamprad opened their first physical store, which is opened in Amherst, that revolutionized the furniture industry with flat pack furniture, which allow customers to buy furniture in compact, portable packages and assemble it at home, whereby this will be reducing shipping costs and expanding affordability. So in 1960s and 1970s, IKEA rapidly expanded across Europe. In 1980s, they expanded across North America, and in 1990s, the company began to expand in Asia and Australia. So in terms of sustainability, IKEA has introduced a few innovations, which is the first one is the renewable and recycled materials, where the utilize of sustainable material like FSC certified wood and recycling efforts in production. The second one is energy efficient products, where they introduce LED lighting. And the third one is the climate positive goal by 2030. So they aims to reduce carbon emission, boost renewable energy, and promote sustainable supply chain practices. So based on this, the IKEA have received a numerous award, such as Forest Stewardship Council (FSC), which ensure the woods used in IKEA products come from responsibly managed forests. So, IKEA today have over 260,000 employees worldwide, and they remain a key player in the furniture customer in over 50 countries. The company continued to evolve by adapting to market trends, innovating through technology, and staying committed to sustainability.
My name is Siti Nur Akma, and today I will present on the implementation of supply chain management for sustainability. I will discuss IKEA's commitment to responsible sourcing, focusing on three key points, which is FSC certified wood, regular audits, and ethical supplier selection. Let's talk about FSC certified wood. IKEA sources wood from responsibly managed forests through the Forest Stewardship Council FSC certification. This certificate ensures that the wood is harvested in a way that prevents deforestation, conserves wildlife, and respects the rights of local communities. By choosing FSC certified wood, IKEA supports sustainable forest management practices that have a positive impact on the environment and society. Next, IKEA conducts regular audits across its supply chain. These inspections are an essential part of ensuring that suppliers meet the company's strict IWA standards. The IWA standards require suppliers to provide fair wages, maintain safe working conditions, and use environmentally friendly practices. IKEA doesn't just check suppliers once. Hence, regular audits help to ensure that they continuously meet these standards. IKEA also offers training to suppliers, helping them to improve their practices and meet IWA requirements, which strengthen the overall supply chain. Finally, IKEA carefully selects suppliers who follow sustainable and ethical practices. IKEA partners with suppliers that share its commitment to environmental protection and also social responsibility. By choosing suppliers that align with this value, IKEA helps to create a more sustainable and ethical supply chain. Through these efforts, sourcing FSC certified wood, conducting regular audits, and selecting ethical suppliers, IKEA ensures that its supply chain is responsible, sustainable, and continuously improving.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Logistic. So today I will talk about how IKEA integrates sustainability into its supply chain, focusing on renewable materials, reducing environmental impact, and ethical sourcing through its ISO standard. This effort showcases IKEA's commitment to creating a positive impact on the planet and society. So the first point is use of renewable and recycled materials. IKEA is dedicated to using renewable and recycled materials to make its products sustainable. For instance, they source wood from FSC certificate forests, ensuring that products like the leg table and Billy bookcase come from responsible managed sources. In textile, IKEA use recycled cotton in items like egg-top sofa covers, which reduce waste. They also innovate with recycled plastics, turning PET bottles into kitchen fronts like the Kangbacha series. This step demonstrates how IKEA incorporates sustainability into its product design and material selection. So the second is how IKEA reduces environmental footprint. By prioritizing renewable and recycled materials, IKEA significantly lowers its environmental footprint. One example is its use of recycled PET, which not only reduces plastic waste but also cut greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, IKEA powers its operation with renewable energy such as wind and solar, further decreasing its environmental impact. This aligns with their long-term goal to become a climate-positive business by 2030. So the last one is IKEA use the ISO standard. The key part of IKEA's sustainability efforts in the ISO standard, their code of conduct for suppliers. It ensures ethical practices such as preventing child labour and providing safe working conditions. For example, when sourcing bamboo for products like the Forza desk lamp, IKEA ensures suppliers follow strict environmental guidelines. Regular audit ensure compliance, making ISO a cornerstone of IKEA's mission for a fair and sustainable supply chain. I think that's all for me. Let's continue with the next presenter.
My name is Lana, so I will be proceeding with the implementation of supply chain management of sustainabilities in improving energy efficiency of IKEA's company. So IKEA is advancing sustainability through innovative strategies aimed at reducing energy consumptions and environmental impact. So a key initiative is the launch of Solheta LED bulbs, which are 35% more energy efficient than previous models and have a lifespan up to 25,000 hours, providing about 20 years of use with daily 3 hours operations. So this innovation lead to significant energy savings for consumers. So additionally, IKEA introduced the wind-threatening air quality sensor, enable customers to monitor improved indoor air conditions, promoting healthier living environments. So this initiative underscores IKEA's strong focus on minimized energy consumptions, thereby reducing overall dependence of natural resources. So to further support sustainability, IKEA also used the electricity from renewable resources, cutting down carbon dioxide emissions and reducing dependence on fossil fuels like natural gas and oil. So this eco-friendly shift helps combat climate change while lowering energy costs for consumers, making sustainability living more affordable. This transition not only support environmental conservation but also help customers lower their electricity and water bills, making sustainable living more affordable and practical. So this effort demonstrates IKEA's holistic approach to sustainability by enhancing product functionalities, conserving natural resources, and reducing environmental pollution. So the company's initiative align with its sustainability long-term goals, reflecting its dedication to creating a positive impact on both the environment and the life of its customer. So through continuous innovation, IKEA fostered a more sustainable future while ensuring that eco-friendly solutions remain accessible to a broader audience.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Afrika binti Hashim. Today I will share how IKEA is leading the way in sustainability by significantly reducing its carbon footprint through impactful initiatives. First, IKEA has achieved a major milestone in renewable energy. By 2021, the company transitioned to using 100% renewable electricity across all its factories, packaging units, and distribution centers worldwide. This achievement not only reduced carbon emissions but also aligned with IKEA's broader visions of becoming climate positive by 2030. It is a clear demonstration of how renewable energy can drive a sustainable circular business model. Second, IKEA has addressed transportation emissions, a major contributor to environmental pollution. The company has reimagined logistics by integrating eco-friendly solutions like biofuels and electric trains and trucks. For example, IKEA Malaysia has introduced electric vehicle for customer deliveries. These measures has resulted in a significant 28% reduction in transportation emissions since 2017. Furthermore, IKEA aims to achieve eco-emission delivery globally by 2025, reinforcing its commitment to building a sustainable supply chain. Finally, IKEA has made substantial investment in renewable energy through its parent company, Inca Group. It has already invested 4 billion euro in wind and solar projects, with plans to expand this to 7.5 billion euro by 2030. This investment not only power its operations but also enable broader initiatives like electrifying its delivery fleet. IKEA proactive investment demonstrates its dedication to creating an eco-friendly future while encouraging other business to prioritize sustainability. In conclusion, IKEA initiative in renewable energies, sustainable logistics, and clean energy investment exemplify what it means to lead responsibly. By setting this ambitious goal and achieving measurable progress, IKEA inspires companies worldwide to follow its example in combating climate change. So that's all for me. Thank you.
I will be discussing the concept of the circular economy and how IKEA integrates this model into its operations to address global challenges like climate change, waste, and biodiversity loss. The circular economy is one where materials are never wasted and nature is regenerated, unlike the traditional linear economy, which follows a take-make-dispose model. The circular economy focuses on keeping resources in use for as long as possible, thereby reducing the environmental impact. This approach is essential for addressing environmental issues by extending the life of materials, reduce the demand for the new raw materials, generate less waste, and lower the environmental impact of our consumption. Ultimately, it supports long-term economic growth and resources efficiency while fighting climate change. IKEA has embraced the circular economy through 4 key strategies, which is on the reuse, remanufacturing, refurbishment, and the recycling. On reuse, IKEA ensures its products are designed for maintenance, repair, and upgrades, making it easier for customers to extend their use. They also support the second-hand markets, enabling customers to pass on products they no longer need. On remanufacturing, usable parts from disassembled products are integrated into new products, reducing the need for virgin materials. On the refurbishment, IKEA restores used or damaged products to like new condition, further extending their life cycle. Lastly, on the recycling, when products are no longer reusable, IKEA recycles their components into raw materials, either for use within IKEA or external supply chains.
Hello everyone, my name is Shaza Umairah. Now I'll be discussing IKEA's innovative furniture take-back program. And as an example of how the company incorporates circular economy principles into its supply chain and logistics. The furniture take-back program encourages customers to return used IKEA furniture. Returned items are either refurbished, recycled, or resold effectively, rethinking traditional product life cycle to minimize waste and maximize the utility of materials. For instance, refurbished furniture undergoes minor repairs and is sold as pre-loved items, while non-reusable items are broken down into recyclable materials like wood, metal, and also plastic. In some regions, such as Australia and part of Europe, IKEA offers store credits for returned furniture, creating a win-win situation for customers and environment. The program integrates circular economic principles directly into IKEA's operation, reshaping its supply chain through reverse logistics. Returned furniture is collected at stores, transported to refurbishing or recycle centers, and reintegrated into inventory for resale. This approach reduces waste, extends product life cycle, and converts raw materials, supporting IKEA's sustainable goals. However, implementing such program isn't without challenges. IKEA faces issues like coordinating logistics for bulky furniture, ensuring quality is refurbished items, motivating customer participation. To overcome this, IKEA employs digital tools to streamline returns, partners with recycling facilities, and offers incentives like store credits to encourage customer involvement. These strategies ensure that the program meets both environmental and also operational objectives. In conclusion, IKEA's furniture take-back program is a powerful example of circular economy principle in action. By redesigning supply chains, reducing waste, and extending product life cycle, IKEA not only meets sustainable goals but also inspire industry-wide innovation.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Fatia binti Khalid. So I will proceed with the packaging and waste reduction. IKEA is focused on using environmentally friendly material in its packaging to support sustainability. By choosing renewable and recycled material, the company aims to reduce its environmental impact and promote the responsible use of resources. IKEA designed its packaging to be efficient, using minimal material while ensuring it remains durable and functional. The company also encourages recycling and reusability, motivating customers to help reduce waste. IKEA flat pack design maximizes space during transport, cutting down on shipping costs and reducing carbon emission. Fewer shipments also contribute to its broader sustainability goal. IKEA follow a circular approach, which is focusing on reducing waste through design and material choices. The packaging is made to be recycled, reused, or composted to prevent from ending up in landfill. The company also offers take-back program, which is allowing customers to return used packaging for recycling or repurposing into new product, which is this help to create a closed loop system that reduces the need for new material and promote environmental responsibility. So IKEA work with suppliers to ensure that all packaging and material meet strict sustainability standard, ensuring waste reduction throughout its supply chain. By combining innovation, collaboration, and a commitment to sustainability, IKEA lead the way in responsible packaging and waste management. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Naishna Blamita Karisham. Today I will discuss how collaboration and the scalability are essential in making the circular economy work. We look at the key partnership, which is challenges and opportunity for innovation. To make the circular economy successful, collaboration is the key. One way to this for happen through the customer engagement. For example, programs where the customer return used product for use and recycling, like a take-back program and second-hand stores. This help keep the production in the loop instead of them ending up as the waste. Next, supply collaboration is very vital. Companies need to work with the suppliers to ensure the materials are sustainably sourced and that they follow the circular practices throughout the production. This reduces waste from at the very beginning. Lastly, the government and the community partnership plays the crucial role. A great example is the mattress recycling in the Netherlands, where the government and the business work together to create a circular system for mattresses, preventing them going to the landfill. Despite progress, scaling the circular economy globally comes with the challenges. For instance, the regulatory or infrastructure disparity exists across regions. Different countries have very laws and recycling systems, making it hard to implement at the universal model. Another challenge is the complexity of tracking recycled material. It is difficult to ensure material are recycled properly and that the quality is maintained throughout the process. Additionally, cultural barriers and the limited awareness in some areas prevent the circular practices from being widely adopted. In some regions, people may not fully understand the benefit or importance of the circular economy. However, there are many exciting opportunities for the innovation. Technologies like the blockchain can ensure the transparency and traceability, making it easier to track material throughout their life cycle. This also can help to prove that products are recycled properly. AI can be another powerful tool. It can automate the process like sorting recyclable materials, making the recycling more efficient and reducing contamination. Industry leaders also have the unique chance to inspire a wider adoption of the circular economy by setting an example. By driving change in their own business, they can motivate others to follow. Standardization is very essential for scalability. Developing common standards for the circular practice allows business to replicate a successful model across different regions and industries. Collaboration is at the heart of making circular economy scalable. While there are challenges, innovation in technology and the strong leadership can help overcome them. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, esteemed Dr. Hian. My name is Atira Ashira and my matrix number B06211014. I will be presenting on IKEA's commitment to sustainable supply chain and logistic management. In this conclusion, I will summarize the key outcomes and their impact on the company. First is ethical sourcing. IKEA builds consumer trust through ethical sourcing, ensuring fair labor practices and environmental responsibility. This enhances their brand reputation. Second is cost savings and resource conservation. By using recycled and renewable materials, IKEA reduces waste and costs while conserving resources. This supports sustainability goals. Next is environmental leadership. IKEA sets itself apart by adopting renewable energy and cutting transportation emissions, showcasing leadership in environmental responsibility. Furthermore, circular economy and waste reduction. Through initiatives like furniture take-back programs, IKEA reduces waste and maximizes resource efficiency. Lastly is global influence and innovation. IKEA's practices not only benefit their business but also inspire other companies to adopt sustainability, driving global progress. In summary, IKEA demonstrates that sustainability is not only possible but also profitable, benefiting both the environment and their long-term business goals. They set a powerful example for others to follow. That's all from me. Thank you.